It's the top line of things, and it's the gears. It's also how you exit the game. Scroll down to network. Okay, scroll down to network. Change your region from local to worldwide. Now set a password. Important. Both players must use the same password for this to work. It's going to be cars. Cars all lowercase. That's my password. Maybe next time, if this works. Once you've done that, one player rings the bell while the other player rings the small resonant bell. If you're hanging out in the same area after a few seconds, sometimes minutes, so be patient of waiting. The game will find a way to bring you across the void, and voila! You can now slaughter beasts with someone you know. If you defeat a boss, the person invited into the world will be banished, and you'll have to start the process all over again. Heads up. If you're still having trouble connecting with a friend, it's possible your levels are too far apart. When asked, Sony recommended players were within 10 levels of one another. Invading another player's world and killing them. In previous Souls games, when a player became human, it was possible for another player to invade them at any time. Becoming human happened whenever you defeated a boss or used a certain item. The advantage of becoming human was more health, a precious soul's resource. Doesn't work that way in Bloodborne, however. Unless I'm missing something, players must ask for invaders to come to their world, which means you're otherwise safe while playing. If you'd like to tackle your fellow hunters, it's pretty easy. Just ring the sinister beckoning bell. Once it's ringing, you can continue running around when the game tries to blah blah blah. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try and... You have to, I think, fight the boss. Or try and engage the boss to get it. Now I'm gonna direct you to him. Okay, let me know when you're back in the world and you're fighting, okay, are you looking at the skeletons in the lamp? Or are you doing something else? Okay, I'm gonna guide you from there. Go right down the stairs. Yeah, go right down the stairs. You cross a bridge, and then there'll be a guy that smashes some boxes in a Hulk rage. Then it's going to be a lot of running and avoiding everything, because you don't want to fight it. Just trust me. Then there'll be the two guys. One guy chilling down, another guy with, you know, a shield and whatnot. See, for me, I opened a gate, so I don't actually have to go this way anymore. But I'm gonna guide you there. Okay, then when you go down those stairs, you'll see the guys coming from the left. Just run. Just keep running straight. Avoid everything. Hit circle to dodge. You run past mob. You keep running straight to where they're burning, like, a cross or something. You find the stairs. You get up the stairs. You have to keep hitting the dodge button because this guy's shooting at you. There's a stair. The stairs are on the left of the mob. And then you go through like an open gate thing. And once you get through there, let me know. Dog? How'd you get a dog? Was there a dog in the mob? Oh, there was no dog in my mob. Alright, now let me... Just run from him. Don't fight him. Don't fight him. Just run. Just run. Cool. Alright, so you'll get to a fountain when you run through the gate, when you're up the stairs. And you're at a big fountain? Okay, just give me a second to try and remember. From there, I'm going to try and lead you to the gate. Oh, well, there's crow things. Be careful. Forgot about the crow things. there's a... You could probably kill the crows, yeah. I'm just trying to avoid them. Yeah, how do you like it? I know. Now don't worry about that big guy smashing on that door. You let him be alone for a while. Now where is... Okay, now you go up the stairs, I guess on the opposite side of the fountain. And there, you should be engaging with some dogs now. And there'll probably be humans there too, they usually meet. Shit! You're gonna have to fight those guys as well. Yep. Oh shit! Yeah, they're weak, but they hit like freaking man. Only sometimes they do. Like, I've upgraded a bit, and they still hit me pretty bad. There's a third dog as well. This game's a lot. Oh no! No, no, no! 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 I don't want to play. I'm gonna have to fucking play with you, aren't I? God damn it. Okay. So guess who came to play? Remember that big guy I told you to avoid? You mean the big black things? Oh god, you're on the bridge. You're on the big bridge. Hold on. Oh shit, a little bit ahead of me. Sorry, I'm fighting that big guy right now. Yeah, it's just a lot of dodging and he's gonna come after me later, so I'm just gonna fight him now. You don't need to fight him. Fight him if you... Oh no, no, holy crap, that was lucky. Just give me a sec. I can't quite remember. Shit! Sorry, this guy's a dick and he hits like a fucking tank! Yeah, try fighting two of them at the same time. Yeah, they're kind of dicks. Yeah, you'll see him soon. I'm gonna say run across. Don't worry about them, because I'm going down the stairs right now. I went straight across. I'm looking straight across. Because that leads you to there, which means there should be... Hey, you're going down some stairs. Don't jump off the cliff. That's where the mob was. At the beginning, I'm trying to lead you to the door. There's some barrels and stuff under there. They don't finish that. Nice. Oh no. Okay, you fell to where the mob is, didn't you? Oh, that pit's fine. Yeah, you can get out. There's a ladder there. Yeah, it's looking like the answer is you're gonna have to... definitely gonna have to go past them. I recommend just running past them. Because they're kind of dicks. You go... No, yeah, you can go back up. Oh yeah, you can. It's just there's like a coffin. You break the coffin, and then you just walk across. All right, and then when you get back up there, I'm gonna advance along here. Just try and avoid the werewolves. Now I believe straight ahead, where the werewolves are the what you call it you're looking for there, the boss. Yeah, that's definitely the boss. I'm gonna die here. Oh God, no. There we go. There. Okay. Okay, don't go there. Go back up the stairs you came down to get there. Yeah, and on the right side there's going to be like some stairs, but they're broken and you kind of fall down. You can't get back up. Yeah, you just hit the circle button to dodge. Just roll right past them. Good luck. Where'd you fall? Did you fall where I wanted you to fall? On like... Yeah, they were kind of like broken out as if like a cannonball hit them. Yeah, okay. Go down there. There'll be some more dogs and some dogs in cages that you can get some free blood from. Literally, just slaughter dogs in cages. That's what I'm doing right now. Obviously, there's some kryptonite in the water, or some Superman's blood, or something. Okay. So then once you get to where the dogs are, there should be 5 dogs in cages and 2 loose ones. And once you... and then there's 5 in cages. Now be careful when you're running, because there's 2 giant guys that you probably don't want to fight, because I definitely don't want to fight. No. Once you kill the dogs, turn around and go back up to the stairs again. Because that I'm trying to get you to the door, which allows you to get down here. Oh shit! Oh, he's got a blunderbuss. Look to the right of. It kind of looks like a building that you're running into. Or hold on, what are you talking about? Oh yeah, the tunnel. Yeah. Okay, the tunnel thing, and it leads into a dark house. Yeah, when you get in there, go ahead and kill everything. There should be like 4 things. There's a dude with a blunderbuss and sitting in a chair. So be very careful. Okay. Now when you get up... Now when you get up to the 2nd floor, there'll be an exit which will lead you back out to where the dogs are. I'm just showing you where that is right now. You don't actually have to technically go there. That's for after, because you're going to want to keep coming back this way to fight the boss. What? Oh, yeah. Yep. Yep. Okay, so you're on the first floor currently? Okay. So the door parallel to the one you entered, like you'll see the tunnel and whatnot, the one parallel on the opposite side. Go through that. And then keep going straight. Up some stairs. Yep. Yep, go. Oh yeah, don't fight them. Those are the dicks. That's why I said try fighting two of them at once. Alright, so go up these stairs. Yep. Alright, so you run up these stairs and you come up the second set. And then there's a gate that you gotta open. And once you open it, you're back where you started. And now you can go left instead of right. You don't have to run through that mob every time. Yep. Now I'm just gonna, before I direct you to the boss, actually technically I showed you where the boss was. That white door, you have to kill everything on the bridge and then you can run across and fight the boss. Yes. Okay. Yes, but you know, use your blood on whatever you need to use blood on right now and whatnot. Probably a good idea. Good luck. Kill all the small stuff first, that is what I recommend. Everything else is a dick. And why are there no enemies here now? Up the stairs is back to the bridge. That's once you go back, like once you respawn in, you go left instead of right now, and you just run through that house up to the second floor and to the bridge. Shit! Ow! Fucking hurt. Would you stop cutting me? Do I look like I'm in need of medical assistance? I don't need a surgeon. Thank you. Shit! Fucking guys, man. Okay, I'm not gonna risk it anymore. I'm gonna run home now. Yeah, you're gonna want to kill that guy, but the dogs will probably run after you when you start engaging them, so I'd recommend killing them first. Which means running through them to the other side and then luring one at a time and trying to fight them that way. The first time I went through there, I just burned them. No, there's two werewolves actually, unless you killed one already. Hey you! Get back here! Nice. Look how easily you can dispose of werewolves. He must have ran off. Yeah! Definitely keep an eye out for him. Well, this has been a good run. I've got up to 2,000 blood right now. Yeah, I'd recommend before fighting the boss, go spend that blood. So it's probably, you should probably go do that now, because if you fight everything, you're gonna have to fight it again. So, probably wiser just to go spend it. Yeah, 2,000. That should give me my next upgrade and buy me a couple Molotovs. I know. I don't know, man. Like they were doing that in the Hunter's Dream too.
Yeah, I seen that. Oh god, now I need to find my way back. Oh wait, shit. About how they can make it to certain levels, but they're stuck on this one that's too hard and blah blah blah. Yep.
In this game?
Yeah.
What does Bloodage do?
Do what?
Blood Tinge. It's a thing. My physical defense goes up. Arcane.
That's the right way.
Skill.
I'm trying to find my way back to the hunter's dream. I can't find my way back yet. Like, I'm trying to find my way back to that house.
Next one's 1,800. Oh, gross.
Jesus.
Whoops, that was a waste. Which house? The blackened house?
We have to get back down to broken out. Oh, I found that werewolf. He's down at the bottom of these broken down steps.
Oh, jeez. But no, you don't have to go back that way. It's on... It's the opposite side of where those steps are. So, where those... If you were to jump down, you can't get back up. But if you go down the opposite side, that's where the house is.
Right.
I can buy 4 Molotovs. I'll buy 4 Molotovs. How many do I have? Five Molotovs. Urn covers target oil when thrown. Oh, that's gonna be sick. Okay. What happened?
Back with 2,100 blood.
Oh, I thought you were commenting on because your audio went away, like you muted or something, and then you came back and you're like, I'm back. Kind of want to take a run at this boss again.
Right.
I doubt I'll be able to, but...
Now where do I buy that stuff at here? I found it once, and now I can't... Wait, is it down here?
Yes. It lures enemies. Yeah, you haven't bought armor yet? Oh, oh god, yeah, no, buy armor, man. You need that shit. Like, I was able to find a new weapon, and that's what I'm running with. Yeah, it was during the rat maze, like you know that tunnel you oh, I just wasted that. God damn it. That tunnel that you ran to get to the dark house, if you go the opposite way, there's like an opening of sorts, where it leads into like a sewer-like thing where there's a bunch of rats, but there's this one body hanging, like it was hung and like mummified like. When you cut that down and you search it, it gives you a new weapon. The Undertaker. Now, I don't actually know if you have to kill the werewolves. I'm gonna try not to and see what happens. No! No! I don't want to. Please stop trying to peck my face out. Oh, that guy fucked my shit. No! 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 No, come on. No, they literally blocked me in. I could not dodge anywhere. I could dodge into them and that was it. Did you have enough to buy them all?
Except for the gloves, we'll go back and get them. God, these pricks freaking hurt, man. They're so easy to kill, but they hurt really bad.
Mm-hmm. Gary.
Oh my god, man. I'm basically dead right now because that guy got lucky hits in on me.
Mm-hmm. So I try and save my vials. Like, I'll take a death over a vial because sometimes when you don't have a ton of echoes, it costs more to buy vials than it would. Yep. Yep. Ow. No, I don't want any. I'm not fighting any of you. I don't want any wolves. Blood echoes retreat. Oh man, no. But god damn it, I just used a fucking health. Thanks. Oh, did I kill you? Did you run? Run. Oh, traverse. No, you don't even have to fight them. You do not even have to fight them. You don't have to fight them, dude. Run to the white fog. Boss is a dick. He's a major dick. Yep. Just run to the white fog. You don't have to fight anything. Yes, because they increase your defense. Yeah, I know. Because we already done this part. Oh, and I'm dead. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's exactly what I was like. And then I just ran around little by little. I just ran through sections like, fuck this. I ain't fighting these guys.
Right.
So I just fought the boss.
Now it's back to the dream again to get the gloves. I'm out of potato sticks, oh no.
I want some potato sticks.
Right?
Can you send some through, the internet?
Of course.
Thanks, man.
Wait, you don't have chips? Are you kidding me?
Of course I got chips. I just don't want to eat them right now. Chips will make me fat. I don't want to get fat. Sounds about right. Whoa! Whoa! Calm the flip down, man. Yep, I think I did too. I think I did. I can't remember actually. Now it's time to nickel and dime everything. Yay, nickel and diming. Nope, not fighting those. Oh, correction, not fighting two of those. I have too many silver bullets. He also recommends selling some, because if you're nickel and diming it, you're gonna get a lot of silver bullets, like if you don't use them. They're stunning. They're basically just for stunning. If you have the blunderbuss, you just stun dudes with them. Okay, that's what I got. And it's for stunning special. And then you just take a hit or two on them, and then you back up, recharge your endurance bar.